the city of Malaga to co-create some solutions for them in the area of mobility and in the area of realising a transition to a more sustainable economy. We've also been joined by 9 other cities who have come from all over Europe with their particular challenges.
Right now we have a situation where we don't have a purpose for the bio-waste.
It has a very severe urban heat in summer, and this is one of our biggest challenges.
We would like to promote a more sustainable way of living concerning mobility, energy and the circular economy.
The major challenge now the island is facing is the landfill, basically. It's full.
Over the last 2 days, we've been working with those 10 cities to try and reframe those projects into being much more ambitious programs.
This workshop is very useful in that sense because you look at the problem from different angles, different perspectives.
We gave a name to our challenge in the process of reframing, and we called it celebra.
The reframing of the challenges and taking into account the new solutions is helping us to understand how we can do better, because at the end this is the final objective: do better.
Maybe there's a different approach that you could be taking this particular challenge to learn from what we learned.
I think it's beneficial that you meet a lot of people from different fields, and you learn and meet people who would normally not be on your daily routine of things, which expand the scope and improve your work.
Climate-KIc events that we attend always gives an opportunity to meet people who we wouldn't normally meet.
I find it very important that people connect to people that think alike, and then they have a power and strength to make things happen, and that's where the real change comes from.
You can't solve your problems and work out your problems alone. So just learn about the others, share your best practices, and make sure that you're gonna spend a very valuable time in getting new, innovative solutions here in this framework.
We put together different people from different backgrounds. We mix the talent, and then we try to co-create together solutions for what are our challenges. Climate-KIc is a huge opportunity that if you really want to change something in order to be proactive for the climate action, this is the way and the club that you need to join.
Well, Climate-KIc, if you look back at its history, is basically the MIT of Europe. The role of Climate-KIc, in my view, is to actually drive those innovations of the 21st century.
And I think by working on a whole systems approach, working with governments and regional governments, councils, policymakers, investors and so on, we have the opportunity to actually tackle those issues.
We see that Climate-KIc is first a hub of knowledge, and this allows us to be in the forefront of technology and in the forefront of innovation, and that's absolutely key for us.
It's the expertise, it's the network they're bringing in, it's the ambition, it's the ideas, it's the courage that they are giving to decision makers.
Any other country.
Tallinn has identified
the chance to make change away.
We have the talent, we have the people, we have also the opportunity, we have identified the challenge in what we need to work. Then let's go to work together.